This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terry Thornton. Historical charmer with many updates and amenities in the heart of downtown Siloam. This 3-bedroom / 2-bath home has restored heart pine floors, beaded ceilings, embellished crown moldings and beautiful mantels in every bedroom and living room. The dining room has bayed window and French doors. Updated kitchen with desk area, tile floors and nice arrangement of cabinets. Reconditioned clawfoot tubs included in both bathrooms. The outdoor space includes multi-purpose finish sound studio plumbed with bath, heating / air system. LVP flooring could be converted into additional living space, office or extra nice workshop. There are 2 sheds with lean-tos, gazebo with built-in seating and ceiling fan, concrete parking pad and detached carport. Located on 3.11 acres. For more